In today's lesson, we are looking at multiplication of two-digit numbers. When we say that we have two-digit numbers, we have numbers like 24. 24 means that's the digits are 2 and 4. You can see they are 2, 1 and 2. Numbers like 15, 18, they are made up of digits, 2 digits, 1, 2, 1, 2. So how do we multiply these numbers? Let's find out using the following examples. In our first example, we have 24 times 2. So this is two-digit number multiplied by the one-digit number, which is 2. So let us set it the way we're going to multiply it. First, you write out 24 and 2. This 2, you put it under unit. This is a unit. It doesn't have 10. 24 means 2 tens, 4 units. And 2, ordinary 2 means 2 units. You write the 2 units under the 2 units. And remember to put your sign of multiplication. Sign of multiplication. This is times. The sign of multiplication. Then we have to multiply. 2 times 4 will give you what? 8. Find it out and write it. 2 times 2 will give you what? 4. So 24 times 2 is equal to what? 48. 24 times 2 is equal to 48. Let's solve the next example. In this example, we have 13 times 3. Remember how we set it? You put your 13 up and your 3 down, and the 3 must be under the units because it's the units. And you put your sign, which is the sign of multiplication. Then rule your line and start multiplying from the units. You start multiplying from where? From the units. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. So therefore 13 times 3 is 39. Is what? 39. Let's solve the next example. But before then, have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video and join the family. Let's continue with our next example. In this example, we have 43 times 5. So let us set it again. 43 times 5 will be where? Under our units. And remember, we start our multiplication from where? From the unit side. And move to the left. And move towards this direction. So 5 times 3 is what? 15. You put your 5, and this is 15. 15 means 110, 5 units. So the 5 will be under the 5 units. And you carry this one over. You carry 1. 5 times 4 is what? Check it. What do you get? 20. Then you add this one. It becomes what? 21. 21 is this. So you put this one here. Then you write the 2 here. Because there is no other number to multiply, you have finished multiplying. So this is very, very simple.